Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I am here with the second question of exercise 7.1 factorial related with factorial. So the second question is write in term of factorial. So in this question the values are 6, 5, 4. This is the simple ordinary notation, then convert into factorial form. And according to my previous lecture, I'll discuss with the factorial is the product of a number and less than all numbers until 1. So this one 6, 5, 4 convert into factorial. How? If 6, 5, 4 means 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1 means the factorial. So if we multiply and divided by 3 factorial. So 1 less than the given number. 4 is the number, so less than 1 is 3. So multiply with 3 factorial, then it becomes 6, 5, 4 multiply 3 factorial and divided by 3 factorial. Then in numerator it becomes 6, 5, 4, 3, it means the 6 factorial and divided by 3 factorial. So this is the final result in term of factorial. I hope so you understand this one. Okay. So the next question, similarly this one is this one 12, 11 and 10. Okay. So 12, 11, 10. So 1 less than. The less than of 10 is 9. So multiply and divide by 9 factorial. Okay. 12, 11, 10 and the next is 9. So the 9 factorial, because 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So in short form 9 factorial. 12, 11, 10 multiply with 9 factorial and divided by 9 factorial. And then final result will be 12 factorial divided by 9 factorial. So this is very simple question. So student convert ordinary notation into factorial form. So similarly these type of all questions you can easily convert into factorial, but if you have any problem then you can mention in comments and I will discuss in next lecture. Okay. So students, let's start the next type. 8 multiply 9 and divided by 2 factorial. Okay. So convert the whole term in factorial form. Similarly to previous question, 10 multiply 9 multiply 8 factorial, 2 factorial as it is, then divide by 8 factorial, because we similarly multiply and divided by 8 factorial. So in numerator it becomes the 10 factorial and in denominator 2 factorial, 8 factorial. This one. This is very simple question. So now convert. The second question is, the next question is this one. See 8, 7, 6 similarly higher number than, and in denominator 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is not a big problem. 1 multiply 2 multiply 3, then you can also change the position. You know about the commutative law and associative law. Okay. So according to commutative property, you can shift the number 1, 2, 3, multiply in term of 3, 2, 1. Okay, so this is not a big deal. So firstly 8, 7, 6 convert into factorial, then multiply and divided by 8, 7, 6 and then 1 less, which means 5 factorial. Okay, five factorial and divided by 1, 2, 3. You can also write in form 3, 2, 1 and then 5 factorial as it is according to this one. So it becomes 8, 7, 6, 5 factorial becomes 8 factorial and 3, 2, 1, 3 factorial and this one 5 factorial. So this is the result: 8 factorial, 3 factorial, 5 factorial. So this is today's lecture. I hope so you understand this one. But if you have any problem, then you can mention in comments. Thank you for watching. Take care.